this video, we are going over how to create a simple and clean video embed for your website. Stay tuned. So if you've ever embedded a video using YouTube, you'll often notice that at the end, it sometimes shows unrelated videos. So this can be a major problem, especially if one of your competitors' videos show up here. Unfortunately with YouTube, there's really no way to control this. So what do you do if you just want a clean branded player that loops back the start at the end? Well, Vimeo is going to be your best bet for that, and we'll show you how to set that up. So the options we're going over today are going to be in the Vimeo Plus and Up plans. So we're going to click on the video we plan to embed, and on the left side, you're going to see a tab called Embed. Now by default, Vimeo has all these options selected. So it's showing the title at the top, your profile name, profile icon, some share icons on the right side here, a Vimeo logo on the bottom right, and then this blue color. Now we can adjust all this and really customize it to our brand. What we like to do is remove the like, watch later, and share buttons, and then also the embed option here. That's going to clean up this right side. We'll scroll down. We're going to remove the profile picture, title, and byline, cleaning up this top left option here. And then we'll scroll down and click on the Show Vimeo logo icon and deselect this. So that's going to clean up that bottom right corner there too. So in the customization tab, you also can add a custom color. Now our client uses a yellow color scheme for their branding, so we can add this right here. Once it's selected, you'll see the play bar, the playhead, and then the volume and closed captioning icon all turn yellow. So Vimeo also lets you add a custom logo at the bottom here. We can add our client's logo here. You can also add a link here if, for example, you were embedding it somewhere else and wanted to link back to the website. All right, for this example, we'll just turn it off though. All right, so we got our player set up here. Let's click Save. And then we'll navigate over to our website and see how it looks. That looks great. The great thing about Vimeo here is that if you were to make a change down the road to the embed option, for example, if you changed the color, when you saved it, it would automatically update it on your website. So there's no need to go in and change the embed code. Vimeo automatically updates that if you go into the video and change one of the settings. All right, so we have the styling done. Next, we're going to control what happens after the video is complete. We're going to scroll over to our interactions tools. Click on that. And then there's an option over here called end screen. Now, I think by default, it's going to show more videos. So it's going to show more videos that you have on your Vimeo account. But what we usually do is we'll just select this to thumbnail. So what happens here is when you play the video and then it ends, it's automatically going to loop back to the start. This is great, and it's something you really can't do with YouTube. Vimeo also lets you set up a few other end screen options, such as adding a call to action, share options, a custom image, making it loop, some text, or leaving it empty. Most often we'll recommend just clicking on the thumbnail option. So that looks much better than what a YouTube video would look like, and most importantly, it's going to keep people on your website. Now, if you're creating multiple videos and uploading them in different spots, you can set up some presets for this, so it'll save you some time. So we'll navigate back to our embed options here and click Create Preset. We'll call this one Clean Embed Yellow. So now when you add another video, all you're going to need to do is scroll down and then select the preset you like. And then hit Save. So if you need to change your preset at any time and update all the videos that have it, you can do that. Let's click on the Manage Preset button. So if we want to make a change, for example, to add a title to all these, we could change the title to Always Show. So now whatever title we had for that video will show up here. And if you scroll down, you also can change the end screens of the preset. When you've made all your changes here, if you want to apply this to all the existing presets, make sure to select this. So that will update every spot that embed preset is used. So that's the most common settings that we'll set up for our clients. But what if you want an embed that's even simpler? Well, you actually can remove every aspect and have just a single play button in the middle. So deselect the full screen, speed control, volume, and play bar options. Click Save. and we'll go over to our website, and you'll see there's just a simple play button in the middle. So one thing to note is, though, when you do remove everything, the viewer's not going to be able to control where they're at in the video, so they're going to have to start the video and watch it all the way through. So when you're ready to embed the video on your website, all you're going to do is going to go click on this Embed Code option, and then copy the HTML. There's also some additional HTML options if you click on this link, and then click at the share button down here. Click on show options, and then you'll be able to change some of the settings here, such as setting it to responsive. So we'll just copy this to HTML and then add it to our website. Well, we hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you have any questions, please comment down below and we'll be glad to help you out. If you do like this content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any videos. We're a creative marketing agency located in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and we specialize in video marketing for businesses. Again, I'm Rob, and thanks for watching.